tauni yu kumimap na gukurugwa ge county assembly na ikathithirwa ikaewa certificate ya kwithira i town ikaewa charter town kende thura committee na ithena chairman na antu bangi bonde na town administrator. Then ikathuta ngathi gwatuka nandi tugutonya ki municipality like Meru municipality ni ara town ya kinya antu 50,000 50 plus and above. Meru municipality kuringana statistics already to exceeded to na 200 plus
200,000.
yes around the immense know that tukaririte akiri the 4 wards or the 5 wards. Eunio itweka 250,000 neo threshold ya kwethia an urban area a municipality. Kumira au gweta city no mwaka tukinye threshold ya 250 which of course we see as Meru here we have surpassed around 250 250. Initially it was 500,000 ya chokea review ndiye na inekwa kenda tumba gukora 100,000 ya chokea review ndiye na inekwa kenda tumba gukorangia town cietu na ciomba go attract nyandona funding na tumba kwa recognized no tugwituka African continent ino cities igukora na mpwe nkurukia other parts of the world anto baingi Africans gwituka batu karinde rural pathoma kidogo ponde barabanda ni rural pakaja ba settle in towns na the managers and the bones running these towns pena gintu kimwe kikuka ba compare barita ngugu tuko na muthenya anto ba migration zigwo kachicha town ri iketha town ikariate ciina drainage njega ya control storm water ciina expanded roads cia accommodate every traffic itujira twethe twi naru tugatura jams cia upena no kuona Meru ni ukari we have no expanded roads
Very true.
na itukura tukathirwa dual carriage at least for mangonyi gweta technical pa tuthirwo mbitha they are very happy manager no ntore ugutethia kwina jamu itukurwa na chevere now and then
Step maybe ira make to make
already kwina steps no turugurete a lot of bypasses national government has really helped us Meru municipality kuda twina eastern and western bypasses and many other connective roads within the municipality yana ndibejeta kwa kuaja ndeta mwanka kinya taskis bitia na highway ko ndio nchoka ntonyera maybe saye mbeja ndaiteria mwendantu ndatonyera mwendantu remember irare moram kethe mwaka muthuru miaka iri ntinde jira uno to bwandast ndende thiuru kauriku urankeja ko we also expanding lakini atukuga atiri we need a 1 mega road nonto 39 that is connecting Hembu and Isiolo is A class kune batiko the end road kenda gutuka to expand the entry na exit ya town.
Yes.
That one will change the whole picture Meru municipality. Yes.
No titwarirwe irio ni kwiro yeri ni kirikinya ki budget and all that.
Yes.
Kuna any steps maybe womba kuthro kimenya make it to bring that now the bigger dual carriage kenda yomba kuthro keberia traffic ili no to town kinya twena to bypass to twena to bando no na town ithero
town bando yes
to kadita huko kwethera ko kariu.
Actually all the time we have been talking with the Kena ibo babanaga highways na that road ndakwira ni 9 which is actually domiciled at Kena na Kena ibo bomba ku man that corridor na every time they tell us they are waiting for the money kenda bomba kuthithia that corridor and any time we may have the contractor according to them miambaragia ni mantu jara murite no tutekane musiasa utekura kwenda so we have been talking with them tumenya na ata bomba kuthithangia tomba kwithia twina wevero ndene Meru and I think also his excellency the governor is on it no to the last time we talked with him yona ngwetera na rite na tubakena na rite na national government and this road may be realized soon